Hello viewers, this is Kairos on the lake and we are here in beautiful Sedgefield at the Swartvlei river. It's a fantastic atmosphere here. We have absolutely, there's no traffic, there's nothing that you can really hear outside. It's beautiful, you can just hear the birds chirping, there's some ducks. I'm going to walk to the pier now that we have here as well. They have boats, they have a kayak, they have everything you would want. Yeah, so I'm gonna walk to the pier now. I'm gonna show you from the front. As you can see, here's the kayaks and the little fishing boats you can also use. There's one for just one person, there's one for two people, and then the little fishing boat. Then this is my personal favorite. It's just something you push with your legs and then it moves. Speed, power. Yes! It's very nice. Then here we are going to the pier. It's incredibly peaceful. And the best part about this whole place is, well, not the best part, obviously the nature is the best part, but this is so cheap. It works you out, say about $70 in dollars. In South Africa it's 1,300, 1,400 rand. If you go through booking.com, we are not sponsored in any way, so this is just like an honest review. People traveling to the Western Cape and Sedgefield. There is a lot of poo here. That's the ducks doing their duck things. Show you here. Look at the view from the outside. It's absolutely beautiful. Front door entrance of the chalet at Kairos on the lake. So we've got a little kitchenette here. There's everything you would want really. Got a zinc, got a toaster, we've got a microwave, gas stove with a little nice kettle if there's load shedding. We also have a generator here. So we've got a nice fridge and refrigerator combo. Freezer combo. We've got a nice little table where you can do a candlelit dinner if you want to. Then let's first move to the bathroom. Oh, this was a good shower. That was a really good shower. The water just gets hot extremely quickly, but it's a nice sized shower. And then we've got a nice big zinc and your standard toilet. We've got these big towels that they gave us, super big towels, very nice to dry off with. You can also get laundry services if you want. So bedroom, a nice place to get ready, ample space. This is for two people, so that's fine. And then a nice king size bed. This is a good sleep, really good sleep. Normally I get hurt a lot. My back hurts from sleeping on places with hard mattress, but it was like a nice soft mattress. Then we've got the outside here. Yes, but we are going through the living room. So let's see what that looks like. Yeah, they put the Wi-Fi password. I'm not going to show it to you like that, but Wi-Fi password, the numbers of the hosts, emergency numbers, everything like that. There's this nice big couch, like a 4 or 5 person seater, nice artwork, a little bit of light coming in here. That's magnificent. I love this, especially. Then we have a smart TV with Netflix, everything like that. Some more artwork. They have a welcome to Kairos on the lake. Yeah, that gives you all the information you might need. We've got a heater here, and then we go outside. Outside, we have fishing poles that you can use to fish on the lake. A place to prepare your bait. Seats here, you can play like card games, anything like that. Another nice couch and a Weber barbecue for all your meat grilling needs. Then we move outside.